All right, let's dive into how to build AI agents that can actually do things in the real world. See, we're way past AIs that just talk. The real challenge now is building AI that acts.
And that means we have to totally rethink how we design and build these systems.
But before we get to the cool patterns, we gotta understand the engine that makes them all go. It's not just a one-and-done command. This loop lets the agent actually remember what's going on. So here's where it gets interesting, seeing how different designs handle this four-step dance. First up, the detective. This is your most common starting point, mixing thinking and acting. It's a simple loop. Think, act, see what happened, and then repeat. Each step feeds the next one. This pattern is super flexible. It's perfect when you don't know the exact path from the start. Yeah, it can get stuck in a loop sometimes, but its ability to adapt is its real superpower. But what if the agent gets lost in the details? Well, for that, you need a different pattern. This one's like an architect. It separates planning from doing by making a full blueprint first. So a planner LLM maps it all out. Then, and only then, an executor component gets to work. You'll want to use this for complex but predictable jobs like onboarding a new team member. The big risk? A bad plan from the start. But if the plan is solid, it's incredibly efficient. Okay, but what if the problem is just too big for one agent? Time for our final, most complex pattern. Right, think of a general contractor. Instead of one agent with tons of tools, you get a team of specialists. A supervisor agent gets the main request, then dishes out tasks to the right specialist agent. This is a must-have when one AI just can't hold all the information it needs for the job. Look, it's not easy or cheap to build, but for problems that are just huge, it's a game changer. So how do you pick? It's all about matching the right pattern to your specific project needs. This chart lays it all out, comparing the three patterns across all the key things you'd care about.
And if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, the advice from the experts is refreshingly simple.
Basically, start with the simple detective pattern. Only go bigger when your agent starts getting lost. So with these patterns in your toolkit, the real question is, what are you going to build?